will be doing a highly requested video, another press-on nail tutorial. When it comes to these press-ons, it's TEMU versus everybody. Everybody, like, get into it.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
What is up, babies? I am Shania Shayon, and welcome back to Living for Shayon. So in today's vlog, I will be doing a highly requested video, which is another press-on nail tutorial. So today we'll be doing a tutorial as well as I'm going to be doing a comparison, right? I get a lot of press-ons from a lot of different brands, and for me, I got to be honest with y'all. It's TEMU versus everybody, okay? We will be putting these cute nails on. I'm going to put a picture of them up on the screen. Make sure you guys use my code that I will have up on the screen so you can get you a discount. Also, some of you new users may be able to get these nails for free, plus plenty more. So make sure you guys use that. TEMU definitely has some of the best press-ons that I have seen thus far. I have been using them for like the last year and I love them. So we're gonna jump into this tutorial and I'm gonna teach you girls how to do press-on nails that last, okay? So shout out to TEMU. Again, make sure you guys use that code and we're gonna jump right into it. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're gonna start right out. So these are the nails that I got. I'm gonna show them to you guys. They are so fire. Like, I've never did blue before, so I'm actually super excited to try. As you know, TEMU press-on nails always come with its own filer. They also come with these, like if you don't want to use glue. I had a lot of girls that were like they were allergic to nail glue. TEMU press-on nails actually come with these little gel adhesives that you can just put onto your nail or onto the nail and stick them on that way, so you don't have to use glue. But I always use my big wide filer, which I will also link. I got this off TEMU as well. I think it was like 50 cents. I just feel like it gives me better grip and it's bigger and it's easier to maneuver, but you can always use the one that comes in the pack. And I'm just using a simple beauty supply store glue, nothing special. So step one, which is the most basic but the most important, is to make sure you're starting with clean hands. Make sure your hands are washed and as well dry. Also make sure your nail bed is dry before you start to apply your glue. Now, I personally love TEMU nails simply because I just think the durability versus the price is like incomparable, okay? Incomparable. Now, I have shopped with plenty of press-on brands, as well as did a lot of brand deals with some press-on brands and worked with nail techs that also have made me customized nails, and y'all, TEMU beat them all. TEMU beat them all in terms of durability, how long they lasted, and the price. What I was paying for one set of nails over there, $40, $20, $30, baby. These were under $5, honey, and most of all the nails that you've ever seen me do were under $5, okay? Which is why I always tell you guys, just go ahead and get 2 pairs, that way if you lose one, you got a backup. Now, with these nails in particular, this is a 24-pack, which I love. I will have these linked up on the screen once again for you guys. And I always like to lay out my nails first. What I like to go do is just take my filer and make sure you're filing your nails. This helps to give the glue a better surface to stick to. And while I'm filing, I like to take the edge and like kind of push my cuticles back a little bit. Because when you push your cuticles back, it just makes your press-ons look a whole lot more natural. I also love that TEMU's nails are thick. So even these ones, that's a 24-pack, they're not as thick as like my 10-pack that I get, which are the handmade luxury press-ons. But these are still thick. I actually just took off my other press-on nails and they were a 24-pack as well. And honey, I had to peel them off. I had them on over a week and a half. So they really last if you know how to apply them and you know how to take care of them. And that's with any nail. Okay, so as you can see, you should be looking ashy a little bit, just like that. I like to take the glue and apply it directly to the nail. So we'll start with this one. So we'll start with this one. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So I like to take the glue and apply it directly to the nail. And when you do that, make sure that you're getting the sides. Don't just do a drop in the middle. That does not work. Make sure you're getting the sides as well as the back of the nail. Also, don't put too much glue. You don't want it like running off, but make sure you put enough to cover all your edges and to give you a substantial hold. So I go ahead and glue a couple typically because I like my glue to get a little bit tacky. Just like with your hair, you know, when you put your glue on your tracks or your glue on your lashes, you want it to get a little tacky first. And I found when I did that, that my nails lasted so much longer. So when you glue them, don't just apply them right on. Like let them air out for a few seconds and then apply them. So I'm going to put this one here. Oh, that is dope. Oh, that's so pretty. I love TEMU press-ons. Like, this would have cost me probably, if I would have got them custom made, it would have probably been $50, $50 to $65. If I would have ordered them from like another site, I would have been paying like $40, probably $35 to $40. Baby, look at the price that I got them for. I mean, that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. So that's my first nail. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply that second one that has the glue on it. I don't like when my nails look big and bulky. That's why I love the 24 packs from TEMU, because they actually give you a nice selection of nail sizes, because I like my nails to look narrow. Like, my fingers are really small. So when I have big, thick, bulky nails on, honey, that looks, you can tell they're press-ons. Those are our first two. And we're just going to continue to go on and apply. Also, if you notice one of your nails just looks like it hasn't been filed enough, like, go ahead and file it. You cannot over file. Trust me, the filing part is what's going to get your glue to stay, okay? So I'm going to do my next two. Also, TEMU has free shipping. Don't forget that. That's always a plus, okay? I love a free shipping. And then also they have on there, like, if you know you need your nails like ASAP and you cannot wait, then I would absolutely, when you go to order your nails, make sure you filter your search for it to say local warehouse. That will get you some nails. That will show you a list of nails that are in your local warehouse, the closest to you. You will have a shipping fee, but you will get your nails within like 3 to 5 business days. I also love that if TEMU misses their deadline to get you your stuff, they give you a credit. So you get $5 for you to spend on whatever if they're ever late on your shipment, which I really like. I'm real big on customer service. They also have no hassle return. So if you get them and you're like, this is not what I wanted, and you want to return them, they usually give you no qualms about returning your nails. So like, these are cute, y'all. Ooh. So right now I wanted to show you guys this view so you can actually watch me apply them. I'm also going ahead and taking out the ones that I know I definitely want to use. Because some of them are bedazzled and some of them are a little plain. So I definitely want to use my bedazzled ones as much as I can. Okay, so let's do this one here. Again, I'm just going on and I'm going to pre-glue. And again, I am putting it all on the sides. Y'all, excuse my glue. Excuse my glue, y'all. I dropped it outside with no top on it. I'm just adding a little glue to that one, and then my thumb. So I'll do this one on the thumb. And I'm really excited to try this shade. So I'm gonna put a little music over this and show you guys how I put them on. Guys, we are done, and look at these. Like, you cannot tell me these ain't fire. Okay, these give luxury nails, and I only paid a couple of dollars. Okay, these give very much high-end luxury nails, and baby, I only paid a couple of dollars. Okay, get into it. Shout out to TEMU. Like I said in the beginning, when it comes to these press-ons, it's TEMU versus everybody. Everybody. Then I like to go on after my nails are dry. Now, do not apply any oil or anything like right after you do your nails. Make sure you wait a little bit. I personally don't like oil, but you can use lotion or whatever. I'm actually going in with the lemon custard. It's like a lotion, but better. I just like the consistency better. I think that the oil sometimes gets up under the nails, and I don't think it helps your nails last at all. I also just don't like oil all over my hands. I be touching my face. It just be too much. It'd be too much. So look at those nails, y'all. Y'all cannot tell me that TEMU is not killing the game. Like, get into it. Get into it. Get into it. Like, these give $150, $160 nails. Easily. Easily. Easily $150 for the nails. With the designs and the, baby. Exactly. Like, TEMU is really the best, hands down, when it comes to the press-ons. So shout out to TEMU. Make sure you guys go use my code and order yours. When I got mine, I got 2 packs. Thankfully, there are 24 packs, so you guys will be seeing these a lot, okay? Because as I lose one, I'm just going to replace it, glue it back on, or pull another one out the box. So I love that. Make sure you guys go shop TEMU. Use my code. Get a discount. Also, if you want to become a TEMU affiliate or influencer and you want to start sharing your favorite shopping finds or your niche with your followers so that you can make money, then I also will include my TEMU affiliate code in the description. So in the description will be the code, of course, the same one that's on the screen, for you just to get a discount on these nails and hopefully get them for free. And then the other code will be for you to sign up so that you can start promoting your favorite TEMU products and making some money, okay? So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Shout out to TEMU, like, the best. TEMU versus everybody. Versus everybody. So guys, make sure you stay tuned. I will be dropping another TEMU vlog after this, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys. Shout out to TEMU. Okay? Bye guys.